Oh no, I did not see you there. Hello, my tasty morsels, and welcome back to Moon Goddess Griffin's ill-designed kitchen. My recipe for today, your locally sourced sawdust mojito. Yum, yum, yum. And now it's time for the ingredients. All you need is the plaster dust or sawdust from your walls, floor, or closet, as well as a really beautiful mason jar. Pour the sawdust into your mason jar and drink deep. Moon, goddess, Griffin, goddess, Griffin, moon, Griffin, would never lie to you. Enjoy them in all the rooms of your house, with all the people you love the most, and the people you're imprisoned with. Yum. It's imperative when crafting your locally sourced sawdust mojito to use locally sourced ingredients, as well as take 1 to 4 tabs of acid to really bring forth the flavors in the locally sourced sawdust mojito. Enjoy the fruits local life has to offer before it's too late and you're dead. Breathe life into your lungs and forget what a phone is for. Use scissors from your closet and use it to cut up your rug into a cape, because nothing matters anymore whatsoever. Locally sourced sawdust mojitos for all the people who are literally nearest to you. Namaste. Update. I put some water in it, and it's like 1,000,000 times better.